Alright, so we have a new update on the hot wallet, and you can see what is crypto airdrop. So we're going to answer this right now. But if you're here to do all this particular one, if you're here to complete them, I already make a video about them already. You can check out my channel, and you can check on my Telegram handle. I have the link at the description and also at the comment section. I have all the answer right there, so you can also do that and also in your hot wallet, right? So let's go into this. So once you come into this, you click on this straight and you're going to see watch the video. So you have to click on watch video and go ahead to YouTube to check it out. All right, so when you're done watching this particular video, you are going to see submit password just this way, and let's try our luck and let's try what we got from the video. So right now we need to put from the video we saw free, so let's add this to this and let's click on submit. So we're going to wait for a while for it to load. And all right, so we actually got it. It is valid, so just go ahead to get that done. Do not forget, I have a link at the description for more.